Buffycats, I'm hungry for spaghetti and meatballs. That means danger!
How can we save him?
Ta-da! With Granny Pina's noodles!
The secret's in the noodles of Granny Pina. A plate of superpower, a stress cure and reliever. You eat them hot with me ragu. They'll help you grow up tall and stop you feeling blue. Because a plate of noodles like Granny Pina is better than a doctor. It'll take away your fever. So be happy, come on, none of problems with to stay. If you've got noodle power, super noodle power. I'll catch you, Cosmo!
Go! With one cat-like burst, Boss takes the lead.
May the best racer win, boss, and that won't be you.
You're wrong. I am the best. And more importantly...
Oh no, a flat tire!
I'm the sneakiest.
What a twist! Speedy Cheese needs a tire change.
Tire change. Make it fast.
That'll give Boss a big advantage.
You can say that again.
That'll give Boss a big advantage.
Blister, Scab, now it's your turn.
This hook will hold him.
Ready to go, Lampo. Lampo?
What a super twist! Speedy Cheese is not a rat, he's a cat! Lampo, what do you have to say?
Well, I want to apologize to everyone, especially you, little mice. You see, Speedy Cheese isn't real.
Then if Speedy Cheese isn't real, who's gonna win the race?
Me, of course.
Hey, look at that!
A super duper twist! Everyone look! Someone new is on the track, but nobody knows who it is.
At least I don't know.
We know who it is. Tap Tap, our daddy!
I owe it to my little mice.
A great recovery for Tap Tap. He's small but super fast.
Blister, Scab, stop him now.
Mousetraps. I gotta be brave. Like Speedy Cheese.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Watch out! Boss is flying off the track.
Start the propeller, Meatball. Your car awaits to take you to our house. Milady, could you drive the Pinky Paws home, please? Of course, Pilou. Start the propeller, Meatball.
I can't get the propeller going. We need a push.
Get in the car. I'll handle this.
the traffic light saboteur!
Speed up, Terry.
Granny Pina cleans. Ada, hello. Ada protected us. Sabotage detected.
We're about to get him, cop!
Meatball, crank the propeller to maximum. Ada cleans, Pina.
Traffic light saboteur, don't move! And let me cuff you!
Ada, floor, protected us. Cleans the floor. Cleans the floor. Clean.
Don't make us do this the hard way.
But it's Ada!
We're looking at La Palette and Archibald. Neck and neck for the lead. But wait, Gas is catching up. And Meatball is still last.
What are you trying to do, Gas?
Trying to overtake you, La Palette.
Be careful not to hit my wing!
What a turn of events! La Palette has lost control of his flying car. Crash landing! La Palette is eliminated.
I'm sorry, La Palette. But this means I'm in first. I can't believe it!
Your disbelief is not without reason, my dear Gas. This contest is not over yet.
Tootin' Catmon is holding the second clue on the roof of the museum.
It's a circus ticket to the park. Make haste!
Captain Catman, do you happen to have any snacks with you?
Ready for the show, Chalk? I always am, Milky. Oh.
Good day, gentle cats. The treasure hunt has led me right to you.
Hello, Sir Archibald. Watch out, Chalk!
Attention, everyone! Archibald is having some trouble.
But what's going on? What a regrettable incident.
What a twist! Archibald McArchibald touches the ground and is disqualified.
Too bad. This was the last clue.
The clue is still good for me. A cuckoo clock. Huh?
That looks like the one in the clock tower. What a great place to stop for a snack.
Thanks for the insight, Meatball. See you there. The treasure is waiting for me.
They've completed the second leg. Gas and Meatball are heading for the final stretch. Our friends are neck and neck. Who is gonna win? Gas or Meatball?
Ouch!
Sorry, Meatball.
I can't see anything!
Hey, that's two flying cats? Huh, this catch is gonna be worth double!
Watch out, my furry fellows! Trouble ahead! It's Birdie the cat catcher!
2-for-1 deal on cats. This really is my lucky day.
I can't take this anymore.
Let's get some altitude. Birdie's right here.
Oh, my whiskers!
Nothing can stop Birdie the cat catcher.
Don't worry, Meatball. We lost him.
You thought you could get rid of me?
We have to get out of here!
Leaving so soon?
Fun is just getting started.
Oh no, my balloon!
Gotcha, Ratty Cat!
Help, Meatball! Meatball!
What a catastrophe! Gas is in trouble! The treasure hunt can wait.
It's the second flying cat. There's room in my cage for you, too.
Gas, grab my paw!
You can't escape me!
You spoke too soon. Bon attack!
Be good, Birdie! A cat catcher caught in a trash can!
How dare they pass me? Take them out of the next turn.
What a twist! An oil slick sent the Boom Boom Steppers off track!
You're way too close. I need my space.
Are you okay, Igor? I am okay. But watch out for Boss. He is cheating.
And double punctures knock out Igor! That's just bad luck.
No, Boss's tricks are behind this.
Him again?
Is this some kind of joke?
Now that he's distracted, Blister, Scab, stop him!
Where do these come from? Better move them before someone gets hurt.
He did it again! Huh, let's see if he can deal with this!
That's not fair, you know.
Way to go, Lambo!
Now it's just the two of us, boss. What's happening?
Lampa's bike is having problems, and Boss is alone in the lead. Ready? Go!
Yes!
Wow, this route is harder than I thought, but I can do it.
Terry, where are you going?
I'm getting my carrot!
Terry's off course!
Hey, Pilu! Winston's garden is full of cat traps.
I know, Lampo, but I gotta help Terry.
Buffycats, let's go lend Pilu a paw. There's not much time to find Terry and Pilu before the traps go off.
There! Stop it, Terry! We gotta go back!
My carrot!
Now the real fun begins.
I'll catch you, carrot!
Boss is playing his pranks again. Watch out, Terry!
Lift off!
This trip will take longer. Mars is far. away.
10-4, Captain. Captain Belly Button, what happened to the engines?
Waiting for booster rockets.
What power!
Prepare for landing.
That was some galactic journey. I want to tell my friends. I'm back.
Yay! How was your trip? Did you see the moon monster?
Sure, m'lady. I saw a Martian, too.
This roller boat is what we need. All aboard! We're leaving. Come on, Buffycats. Let's follow that car. Ready the boarding party, Buffycats. Recipe approaching.
'94, '95, '96, '97, '98, Hey! Come back!
Oh, sorry, Igor. Poor Igor. We messed up his training. I hope we didn't make the strongest cat in town angry.
There it is.
What?
What is the meaning of that?
Oh, my meatballs! How did we end up here?
I don't know, but what goes up must come down. Hold tight! The car! We won't miss the recipe this time.
I'm not so sure about that.
Well, what do you think, Buffycats?
Wow! It's a real submarine!
You're the best, Wrench!
So what are you waiting for? Get on board! No laying down on the job, sailors. All hands on deck. We've got a pearl to find.
But there are no pearls in the river.
All rivers flow into the ocean. Milady, that's where you'll find what you're looking for. Easy on that wheel.
Oops.
Whoa!
Periscope, any pearls in sight? Elu?
Negative, Captain Wrench.
Depth control? Take us down a bit more.
Right away, Captain Wrench.
This way! Follow me!
This is Pawesome! Jump on board. I know who can help us.
Granny said that this is the last serving left. We need to take care of it.
Pawesome! We're going on a trip. Buffycats, let's go visit Neko, the lucky cat. He always has lots of useful things. Come on, Buffycats.
Oh, they're in that plane!
We gotta get it before it takes off.
Come on, milady, speed up!
What now? What can we do?
What a catastrophe! We have no cake, and we're out of time to set up the party!
So I was early?
Terry, the police cat, is here to direct traffic.
But Terry, you're not a police cat. Actually, you're not even a cat.
Please, keep it down. Lampo, you turn left. Milady, that way. Pilu, you come back. Meatball, go under the table.
That's my bike!
I know how to catch up to him.
Yeah. Follow that bike, milady!
More crazy traffic lights. I have to find the traffic light saboteur.
Stop, Terry! Before taking action, a police cat needs to find the culprit.
Meatball, what's that?
I brought a little snack.
You'll take it to go. Which way did the cat catcher go? kitties. Did you see the cat catcher's van drive by?
Sure, they went around that corner.
Thanks.
Maybe this catnip ice cream has a strange side effect. I thought I was talking to a human.
You were, Cosmo.
At least I didn't see a dog meowing.
Cream, can I have a catnip ice cream cone?
So what now? Where do I go? There's no one to ask for directions.
My whiskers are telling us Birdie went that way.
Lampo, why didn't you tell me about your whiskers power before?
There's hope.
Huh? Oh no, the shop is closed.
There might be a way in from the roof.
Hello, Hope. I'm Izata. Nice to meet you. Don't be sad. The Buffycats are coming to rescue you.
Oh no, Birdie's chasing us!
I can't go any faster than this. So Birdie will take Hope to the shelter for the night. And there's only one way to get there. That way. I'll stop him.
No!
See? I did it!
Hope, my love! Thank you, Buffycats. We have to thank Izata. We couldn't have done it without her.
And if you thank me, I can even say, you're welcome.
That's it. Our Buffymobile.
It's Catalina, an eco-friendly mammal. He runs on orange power, goes faster by the hour. It's Catalina the camel, the mustard-colored mammal. So full of fun and talent, he's an asset to our planet. Oh, please let us ride on your Catalina. All right, then follow me. Catalina, let's go, go, go. Oh, this camel is a miracle, a miracle. Yes, defying all that's physical. And go, go, go. Yes, go, go, go. The gems of lightning speed is all we need. You're brilliant, Catalina. Amazing, Catalina. We really should.
You're not getting away from us.
Come on, in the street. On Catalina, on Catalina, on Catalina the camel. We have one when we travel. We ride the roads and gravel on this supersonic marvel. The orange is not petrol. That's why she is successful. The image of the future. We just need a producer. Oh, please let us ride on your Catalina. Long live Catalina. Catalina, Catalina, Catalina.
could use some orange juice myself.
I'd rather have my very own racing camel.
Ah! Catalina, you have returned. I thought you had abandoned me, my friend.
They are so sweet together.
Another mission accomplished by the Buffycats. Subscribe to the channel.